I'm Rick James, man.
DJ Delz.
Yes, we have finally got the Rick James Funko Pop right here. Gotta love Rick James. So happy to have this in the collection. Shout out to Entertainment Earth for coming through. I will link this Funko Pop in the description box below. Guaranteed mint condition. And also, you can pre-order the LeBron James and the Michael Jordan Funko Pops. Guaranteed mint condition. They do not bill you until they ship. Must-haves. I would say all three of these must-haves. So definitely check the description box below. But hold up. First, bang that thumbs up button because we're going to take Rick James out of the box. Bang! We got Rick James out of the box. Looks awesome. The paint looks great. And I love the outfit, man. Rick James always wore the most outrageous outfits. And they nailed it. It looks like Rick James. There's a side profile. There's a look at his back right there. And there's a look at his other side. And one close-up look at him. Looks awesome. Such a great pop. I gotta say, with the rock, the music Funko Pops, I wish they were bobbleheads. You know how they have like all the Marvel Funko Pops with bobbleheads and all the Star Wars ones with bobbleheads? It's just right for the music ones to be able to bobble. You know, like Rick James while he's got his guitar with the bobblehead. I think it just would make more sense. I don't know why Funko doesn't do that. I wish they would. But I absolutely love this pop. I think it looks great. And there you go with a close-up HD look at the Rick James Funko Pop. Let me know in the comment box below your favorite Rick James song. I'm going with Super Freak all day, every day. But leave in the comment box below your favorite, or if you want to even go crazy, leave your top 3 favorite Rick James songs. I hope we get a Dave Chappelle Funko Pop eventually with all the different characters. I think that would be amazing. Tomorrow, I got another Funko Pop review, so make sure that you hit the notification bell. If you're already subscribed, ring that bell. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and then ring the bell right next to it so you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Keep in mind, all 3 of these Funko Pops and more will be listed in the description box below for pre-order and to order, guaranteed mint condition. And if it's a pre-order, they don't bill you until they ship the product. Thanks for tuning in. And if you haven't banged that thumbs up button, what are you doing? Show that love. Bang! Hit that thumbs up button. Everyone have a great day, and we out.